and welcome back to my channel Wrap to Fab. So Diwali is around the corner, guys, and it's just 7 days from now, so it's time for some really good skin pampering and DIYs at home. So if you want to get that festive healthy glow on your skin and look fab on this Diwali, then keep on watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel because there are many more such DIY hacks coming on the way, and also some amazing makeup videos. Now without further ado, let's get started. Here are 3 steps in today's DIY, that is cleansing, exfoliating and a face mask. But before going in all this process, I'm going to use some curd, just the basic curd. You can also use malai in place of curd, and if you are very dry skin, you can definitely add some honey to it and you are ready to use it. So I'm using this first to fade out my acne or pimples that are already there, and इनको तो आना ही होता है when you are out for some big day or special day. They have to come, and if you can see, I have some here and here. So I'm just going to apply on those spotted areas very thin layer, and I'm going to keep this for 5 to 10 minutes, and it will, as soon as it will dry, it will also dry my acne and pimples. So yeah, before getting into the cleansing step, I'm going to use this curd and apply it all over my. And also, if you can notice that my face is a little swelled up today, that's because I have just woke up and it's 8 AM right now, and I have started shooting because why not? It's Diwali on the way. After all, we all need to have that healthy glowy skin. So you can definitely apply this all over your face, but I'm just applying it on the specific areas where I have little bumps or the baby bumps are arriving. So yeah, that's it, and I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and then I will be back. So now I'm back after washing my face with just normal tap water, and I don't know if you guys can notice, it has already reduced my redness and also swelling that was going around, and there is absolutely no filter, no lights. I'm shooting outside, it's just me and the sunlight, so it's clearly visible, I hope. Now moving on to the next step, that is cleansing up. So for cleansing up, I am using raw milk over here, which is absolutely, I guess everyone knows, is the best source for cleanup. And also I am going to add some honey into it because why not? It's antibacterial and also gives you a glowing skin. So I am going to add 1 spoon of honey into it. Come honey, come. Wow, so beautiful. It's so soothing. So yeah, now I'm going to cleanse it using a cotton because cotton pad khatam ho gaya hai, so why not? I can use cotton pad also. So the first I'm going to mix it with my fingers only. So I just want to tell you that you do not need to wash your face using face wash before starting all of these DIYs because we are already cleansing up and doing so much. So you do not need to do that. So now I'm just, wow, it feels so good. I'm just cleaning my face with this, and then I'm going to leave this for extra 5 minutes so that my skin absorbs all the goodness of milk and honey, and then again I will just wash it off with the normal water. Loving it. So much of dirt. If you can see, there are so many blackheads, and I can already see some glow. So I'm back after washing my face again, and I'm loving so far. It's already so clear and bright and glowy, if you can see. So next, moving on to the next step, that is scrubbing or exfoliating. For that you need only 2 things, that is coffee powder and half lemon, because you will be needing just few drops of lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze this few drops of lemon into it, and then I'm going to exfoliate my face using this, but do not be very harsh. Take care of your baby boo because that's the thing you should take care of most. So I'm just mixing it using my fingers, and then I will apply it all over my face and scrub it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then wash it again with the tap water. Ooh, wow. Ah, smells so yummy, but I can't eat it. Do try this DIY, guys. I assure you, you will see some visible effects. I mean effects. Effects क्या होता है? Effects. So all the first I'm just applying this and then I will go ahead and scrub my face. Whoa. I'm just going to take some extras on my both the hands and rub like this, and I'm going to scrub my face very gently. Again, be very gentle. Loving it. So next, moving on to the lip scrub. For that you need again very basic things like honey, very little amount of honey, some sugar and few drops of lemon. Aja. Okay, I'm just going to scrub my lips. It looks very yummy, smells yummy. The sound is so relaxing. Okay, so moving on. Do not eat it. See the gloss? Hi gloss. Now this helps to make your lips more softer, pinkier, and also remove the dark spots. Like some people have that black around their mouth, so it also helps to avoid all those things. Now moving on to the final step, that is face mask. For that you need two things. First one is turmeric powder and the next one is aloe vera gel. Now you can definitely use any other aloe vera gel or the natural aloe vera plant. I'm just going to mix both of these and leave it for 15 minutes and then wash off, and there you go with that glowy healthy skin. So I'm just adding little aloe vera gel into it. We all know aloe vera is very good for hydration, smoothing your skin and also moisturizing your skin, and turmeric will give you that gold shiny festive glam effect, and also it has antibacterial factor. So I'm just going to mix them with my fingers and apply it. Mix. So smooth. Can you see? So smooth the consistency is. Obviously it's turmeric, so it will leave a yellow tint onto your face. That's why you have to do on a day that you are not moving out, and it's 7 days from now, so it's okay. And make sure that you are not washing your face whole day when you are doing all of these DIYs, because तभी इनका असर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. That's it. I'm gonna leave this for a good 15 minutes and then wash it off and come back. So I'm back after washing my face, and as I told you, it will be looking somewhat yellowish tint because of turmeric, but that's completely fine. It will fade off soon. So lastly, to calm my skin after so many stuffs, I'm going to use some ice cubes, rub it on my face very gently, and there you go. The routine is over. The DIY skincare for that glowy festive skin is over, and I will let it dry naturally, and after it has dried out, I will use good amount of moisturizer on my skin, lip balm, and we are done with the routine. So I'm just going to leave it like this only, let it dry naturally, and I'm feeling so calm and soothing and relaxing. So I will take a bye-bye now, and I will see you soon in my upcoming DIY or makeup video. Until then, take care, keep glowing, be healthy, stay strong. Bye.